Everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Shubhangi Jain and today I would be discussing about the detailed procedure of the issue of succession certificate to facilitate the obtainment of the same seamlessly. So let's start with the discussion by understanding what is a succession certificate. A succession certificate can be defined as a certificate issued by a competent authority to the legal heirs of a deceased for establishing the authenticity of the heirs and providing them with authority to inherit debts, securities and other assets of the deceased. Moving forward, it is important to be aware about the authority which issues the succession certificate. The district judge of the appropriate jurisdiction issues the succession certificate, wherein the jurisdiction is decided based on the place of residence of the deceased person or where the assets of the deceased are found. However, this applies only in cases where the place of residence of the deceased cannot be determined. Now, who are eligible for the issue of succession certificate? Number 1, person with a sound mind. Second, major person. Third, person having an interest in the estate of the deceased. Fourth, secretary of the state. Fifth, person having a beneficial interest in the debt or security of the deceased person. What are the documents required to obtain the succession certificate? First, the death certificate, PAN card of the legal heirs, address proof of the legal heirs, prescribed application form by affixing a court fee stamp. What is the procedure for the issue of succession certificate? Filing the petition. The person intending to obtain the succession certificate must file a petition before the district court under section 372 of the Indian Succession Act, which must be signed and verified by the applicant or someone on his or her behalf in the prescribed manner of CPC in respect of signing and verification of a plaint or on behalf of the plaintiff. Particulars that must be mentioned in the petition are date of death of the deceased, place of residence of the deceased, family of the deceased and their respective place of residence, right of the petitioner, absence of any impediment, debts or securities regarding which the certificate is applied for, NOC from the legal heirs. The next step is submission of the requisite fees. As per the Court Fees Act 1970, a specific percentage of the value of the estate is imposed by the court. The value has to be paid by the petitioner in judicial stamps. Third, publication of a notice in the newspaper. The court shall examine the application and upon being satisfied with the same, it shall publish a notice in the newspaper inviting objections or claims against the asset of the deceased within 45 days of the publication date. Next, grant of succession certificate. If the court does not receive any claims against the assets or the objections within the prescribed time, it shall proceed towards granting the certificate to the petitioner, provided that the claim's authenticity is established. In the case of multiple petitioners, the court may issue a joint succession certificate. However, in the case of a single asset, only one certificate will be granted. Next step, signing the indemnity bond. In some cases, the court may ask the petitioner to sign an indemnity bond to ensure that no losses occur due to the misuse of the granted succession certificate. Signing the bond might require the petitioner to provide security to the court. Now, we shall be discussing about the effect of succession certificate. According to section 381 of the Act, the succession certificate provides protection to the parties paying debts. As per the provisions of this part, the certificate of the district judge shall, with respect to the debts and securities specified therein, be conclusive as against the persons owing such debts or liable to such securities, and shall, notwithstanding any contravention of section 270 or other defects, afford full indemnity to all such person as regards all payments made or dealings had in good faith in respect of such debts or securities to or with the persons to whom the certificate was issued. Section 376 of the Indian Succession Act states that the district judge has the power to extend the application of the holder of a certificate under this part, and every such extension shall have the same effect as if the debt or security to which the certificate is extended had been originally specified therein. Now, we shall be discussing about the validity of the succession certificate. The certificate is valid throughout India. However, if a certificate is issued in a foreign country by an Indian representative, the certificate shall be considered valid only if the certificate is properly stamped as per the prescribed rules. Revocation of succession certificate. According to section 383 of the said Act, a succession certificate so issued may be revoked for the following reasons. Number 1. Defective process of obtaining the certificate. Fraudulent obtainment of a certificate. Owing to the circumstances, the certificate becomes inoperative or useless. A decree or order of another competent court in dealing with the debt and securities of the same deceased person renders it proper that the certificate is revoked. Against any order of the district court in the matter of grant, refusal or revocation of the certificate, a person may appeal in the appropriate high court. I would be concluding the discussion by saying that a succession certificate is the best solution in the absence of a will, because it acts as the primary document which facilitates the transfer of property and other assets of the deceased person to the right person so as to ensure that the same are not being misused after their demise. The issue of a succession certificate can become a complicated process without a proper advice. Enterslice has a team of experienced lawyers to guide the clients in respect of the process and provide end-to-end assistance in obtaining the same at the earliest without any legal hurdles. That's all for the video. I hope that you found it informative. For more such content, please subscribe to our channel.